He drove the same taxi for 25 years, wore the same sandals, ate at the same roadside stall. And when he retired, he had over 1.2 crores in his bank account. How did he do it? This is the story of Ravi, the man who turned pocket change into financial freedom without anyone noticing.
Ravi was 28 when he started driving a taxi. Every day, 12 hours of driving. Earnings just enough to survive. His dream. A simple life where his kids didn't have to struggle like him. But how could he save when he barely had anything to begin with? One evening, a wealthy passenger got in. The man was on a call, saying, "I just let my SIPs run. Compound interest will take care of the rest." Ravi didn't understand a word, but it stuck with him. That night, he searched. What is SIP? He learned. Systematic investment plan, compound interest. How 500 a month could grow into lakhs. That night changed Ravi's life. He started small, just 500 for a month, said no to luxuries. No new phone, no expensive tea breaks, no loans, just discipline. Over time, 500 became 1,000. He read free blogs, watched YouTube videos. He opened a low-cost index fund SIP. Ravi told no one, not even his wife. People mocked his simplicity, but he had a secret. He was building wealth quietly. 25 years later, he stopped driving. 1 crorepati, sitting in a small 1 BHK with a calm smile. His total investments, 1.2 crore. His kids, educated. No loans. His life, simple, peaceful, free.
Ravi's story isn't about luck. It's about discipline, patience, and learning. Here are 5 things to learn from Ravi. Start small, but start early. Let compound interest work silently. Don't chase status, chase freedom. Invest consistently, not emotionally. You don't need to earn big to build big.
Want to be like Ravi? Start your own 500 SIP today. Your future self will thank you. Drop a Ravi in the comments if his story inspired you. Like, subscribe, and share for more real finance stories.